cells, and next we will discuss about the shape of the bacterial cell. So the main five shapes are there for bacterial cells. First one is the bacillus, that is a rod shaped, and coccus, that is a spherical shape, and spiral, that is under the spiral, there is a vibrio shape or spirillum or spirochetus. So under the bacillus, so here also we can see there is a coccus shape, that is the round shaped, and this is the rod shaped, that is a bacillus. So in between these two, one structure is also there, that is the coccobacillus. It is not totally coccus or totally rod, so that is known as coccobacillus. Okay, another thing is that is bacillus, sorry, that is a vibrio, that is a comma shaped, and this is the spirillum or spiral shaped, and the spirochetus like this. Okay, so now we will discuss the arrangement of the bacterial cells. Suppose a bacillus cell is always present in their single form, so it is all normally called as bacillus. So if this bacillus or rod shaped bacteria always present or arranged them in a diploid structure, then it is called the diplobacillus. If they present in their chain form, then it will be called the streptobacillus. Okay, so next, in for coccus bacteria or spherical bacteria, if they present in single form, we can say that is a coccus bacteria. If they present in double form, double arrangement, then we will call it as a diplococcus. If they present in tetrad form or group of four, then we call them tetrad. And if they form or present in a cluster form, then we can call them that is a staphylococcus. And if they present in a chain form, then we will call him as a streptococcus. Okay, and if the present in vibrio, so these are not the arrangement. So these are all the arrangement of bacteria. Okay, so different arrangements. So here we all discuss about the shapes and arrangements. So five types of shapes are there: bacillus, coccus, spiral, in under the spiral, that is a vibrio, spirillum or spirochetus. Five types of shapes are there, and their arrangements like single, diplobacillus or streptobacillus, and here also the single, diplobacillus, tetrad, staphylococcus for cluster, and chain form, that is a streptococcus. Okay, so these are the shape and arrangement. And in our next, we can see this also, they are the coccus rod shaped like this, vibrio like this, and spiral shape like this, and spirochetus like this. Okay, so here these are the pictures of original cells. Okay,